Hello friends, I'm Darshan Kumar Das. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Tech Magic. In this video, I'm going to unbox these two graphics cards, which is RX 550 and RX 560 respectively, which you can see here. Both of these are having 4GB GDDR5 VRAM and both are these having 128-bit bus width. So without wasting any more time, let's start unboxing these two graphics cards. So friend, at first among these two graphics cards, that is RX 550 and 560, let's unbox the smaller RX 550 first. Okay, so let's first look at the box. Here you can see it's written Sapphire Pulse Radeon RX 550 4GB GDDR5. It says DirectX 12 Vulkan FreeSync 2 eSports ready relief capture. Here also you can see everything, about ports and buttons. It has got HDMI port, DVI D port and DP port. And by the way, here you can see it's written overclock, means it's overclock out of the box, and some other informations are written here. On the back side you can see its key features are written. Is written, if you can see it properly, you can see HDR ready 3rd gen FinFET 14 Radeon FreeSync 2 technology relief capture and stream, DirectX 12 optimized 4th generation GCN AMD liquid VR technology, AMD virtual resolution super resolution technology, and blah blah blah. Everything is written here. And yeah, you can see here it's written memory bus with 128-bit. Output ports are also mentioned here, which you can see. Now let's start unboxing this graphics card. So need to unbox it from here. So this is it. Sorry, let's unbox it slowly. Inside the box there is another box where we need to unbox further, and boom, this is it. This is most probably the driver CD, which is not necessary in today's date because drivers are already available in internet. If you install this graphics card on your system, then you can already see you can already work with default Microsoft driver, and then you can download it from AMD's official website. This is the graphics card, which is wrapped in plastic. I don't know what type of plastic it's called, air packed plastic. Anyways, this is the beautiful graphics card. A plastic is there on the graphics card, which you can remove it later on. Looks very similar to Zotac GTX 1650 single fan edition graphics card, isn't it? That I have. Oh, that's quite interesting. Here you can see every ports are covered with cap. Sorry, in some specification are written wrong on the box outside. Here you can see one DVI I port, one HDMI port, and this one is display port. Hopefully, yes, this is display port, you can see. And let's see if there is any power connector, external power requirements or not. No, absolutely not. Let's remove this plastic also. Let's see if there is any sound coming while removing the plastic. Yeah, it's something like sellotape type of plastic, very sticky type, but the graphics card looks cool. And here Sapphire written, you can see Sapphire. This is Pulse icon, this thing you can see. So that's all about our unboxing RX 550. Now let's start unboxing. Now let's keep this RX 550 aside and let's start unboxing RX 560. I'm keeping this side. Now let's unboxing the big brother, the biggest size RX 560. Why it's bigger size? Simple, because it is 12 fan edition of RX 560, whereas the RX 550 you have seen that it's single fan edition, only one fan, whereas this RX 560 is having two fans. Maybe we need external power supply, but while buying I have seen that it's not required. It's written on the box that it's not, external power supply is not required. Let's see after unboxing, then we will understand. But before unboxing, let's look what's written on the box. You can see 4GB GDDR5 memory, auto extreme, 100% automated production process, GPU tweak to real-time graphics tuning and live streaming. By the way, ROGs, you can customize this graphics card by using the ROG software. You can see Radeon RX 560, DirectX 12, Vulkan, Chill, FreeSync 2, Relief Capture. Everything is written here. Here you can see GPU tweak 2. By the way, this will be the interface of wait a minute, some reflections is coming. This will be the interface of the software using which you can tweak this GPU. And here you can see ROG Strix gaming graphics card written here, Republic of Gamers. Let's see what's written on the back side. On the back side, you can see it's written that it's having only two display output ports. One is HDMI, one is DVI, and this is all about the graphics card. 0dB technology, IP5X certified fans. I don't know what the IP5X means. Anyways, auto extreme technology with super alloy power 2. It's written here, you can see 3 years limited warranty. Yes, this is having 3 years warranty. So anyways, that's all about written on the box. Now let's start unboxing this guy slowly. This graphics card I am unboxing. The unboxing experience is quite not very okay. I expect this to be look more beautiful than that of RX 550 which I unboxed. Maybe or may not be. Anyway, let's unbox it slowly. We are unboxing. It's so RX 560 unboxing. We are slowly unboxing it. Anyways, see, and it's RX 560 right in front, which you can see it's wrapped in plastic. We need to remove this plastic, and it's 12 fan, double the size of, almost double the size of the RX 550 that I unboxed just now. Ooh. So yeah, this is the beautiful RX 560 which you can see. Oh, it do require external power supply. Yes, you can see here 12 fan graphics card means obviously it will need external power supply. This is a small disadvantage on one side and an advantage on another other side while installing this graphics card on your system, because disadvantage in this way that you need to plug external power supply here, but advantage on the this way, that means it's full powered RX 560, which means additional power requirement will be used to power this up. By the way, if you want to know the modes about these two graphics card, then just stay tuned, I will say it slowly. But before that, let's wow, bigger pipe, you can see. Let's remove this plastic. Removing the plastic removing has no sound at all. Anyways, external power supply inside, it needs 8-pin power connector, which you can see right here. 8-pin power connector is needed to power this up, and this CPU is also having caps on the, oh, this is quite interesting, plastic even here. Let's move to this side, and yeah, stainless steel, HDMI and DVI I port. Wow, that's great. And this is HDMI port. You can see I'm trying to remove this, but I can't. Oh, I have removed it. These sheet caps are there even in this RX 560. This is quite big GPU compared to that. I think this is something like RGB like stuff or something. I don't know. Maybe it is having RGB or may not be. So this is the RX 550 and this is the RX 560. You can see the size is almost double. Even this fan's size is bigger. The small one fan size is bigger than this size of this RX 560. Sorry, not 550, 550. RX 560's fan size is also bigger, and even though it's having big fan, it is having in 2 fans, so that means it will be more cool while playing heavy game on this CPU. Now let's scroll over internet and let me say you some more important specification of these two graphics card. Wait a minute. Yeah, so if you search on internet, then only you can see the mode of its spec. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, this is really performance film. Anyways, now this RX 550 graphics card, as you can see, it's having 512 cores, 32 TMUs, 16 ROPS. I don't know the full form of ROPS. Anyways, 16 ROPS. It's written 2 GB size on the internet, but my one is 4 GB GDDR5 and 128-bit bus weight. It's the take power of GPU side, and the latest GPU driver of RX 550 and both 560 is Radeon 24.6.1 WHQL, and that of RX 560 its specification is, oh, by the way, this RX 550 is having Lexa graphics processor, and the RX 560 is having 4H21 graphic processor. It's having 1024 cores, which is the double the RX 550, which was having 512 cores, 64 TMUs. That's also double the TMUs of RX 550. You can see 16 ROPS. It's similar to that of RX 550. 4GB GDDR5 and 128-bit burst rate. So that's a brief overview. Now here you can see where the RX 560 stands out. Its performance is very close to that of GTX 950 and of course better than GTX 660, 570 and Radeon R7 370 RX, and yeah, it's a successor of RX 460, so as such obviously it will be faster than RX 460. And talking about RX 550, you can see its relative performance comparison here. Its performance is very close to that of GTX 470. I have never heard about this graphics card anyways, and its performance is very close to that of GTX 750 Ti, I believe. Yes, you can see GTX 750 Ti is 17% faster than this RX 550. Anyways, so that's all about unboxing this RX 550 and RX 560 graphics card, which you have seen that I have unboxed. This is it. Now in my area rain is coming soon, so I need to pack up all my everything. The weather is very nice, by the way, here in Kolkata. Oh, one thing I have forgot to say, in RX 550 you are getting a driver CD, which you have seen just now. This is the RX 550s, but there is no driver CD. This 50 biker. Anyways, but this RX 560 is not having any driver CD. Wait a minute. Oh. So guys, I am ending this unboxing video soon and we'll move to the conclusion. Before that, if you are watching this video, then do the comments that which graphics card should I test first. Is it the RX 550, this one, or the RX 560, this one? Which graphics card should I test first? Is the RX 550 or the RX 560? Which graphics card should I test first? Please comment down below. I will read every comments, and based on your comments I will make my next video. So please comment down below which graphics card should I test first, RX 550 or RX 560. Please comment down below. So yeah, that's it. That's all about this video. So that's all about unboxing RX 550 and RX 560 graphics card respectively. So that's it. If you like this video and find this unboxing helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it. And on the bell icon, select all to watch my latest videos before anyone else. And before ending this video, I am saying this once again, repeatedly, that is, please comment down below which graphics card should I test first with my i5 2400 processor paired with 16GB RAM. Which graphics card I should test first? Is it RX 550 or the RX 560? Which one should I test among these two graphics cards? Please comment down below. Within a week, I will choose the most requested graphics card among these two to test. So, and within a week, if there is no comment about your choice from RX 550 or 560, then I will choose any one of from them randomly. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video. So once again, I am saying thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.